Myself Simarjit Kaur. Today I am going to discuss the topic fundamentals of art, as this is one of the most important topic in fine arts. So fundamentals of art can be considered as the foundational concepts in fine arts which are very essential for the students of fine arts and also to become a great artist. So fundamentals of art can be defined as the basic building blocks in the field of painting and design. Fundamentals can be categorized into two broad categories. These categories are elements of art and principles of art. So let's discuss the various elements and principles one by one. The elements are the basic building blocks of art, and the principles are how we can arrange these elements to create more appealing and effective artworks. So let's discuss the various elements and principles one by one. There are various sub-points under the elements of art. First of all, here is line. So line is one of the most basic element of art. As we can see in various paintings, we can see various types of lines such as horizontal lines, curved lines, vertical lines, thick lines, thin lines, spiral lines, zigzag line, diagonal line. There can be many types of lines, and lines can be used to create various effects in any artwork. So then there is shape. Also there can be various types of shapes such as circle, triangle, square, rectangle. We can use these shapes also in our artworks. There can be organic shapes, there can be geometrical shapes, and in the same way then we have form. As we know that forms are three-dimensional, and we can also categorize organic forms, natural forms in our artworks. Then we have space. Space is also very essential element of art, as to create any painting we should have a space, a canvas or a blank page where we have to create our artwork. So space can be of two types, negative space and positive space. Then we have color. There can be many types of colors. Color is also very essential to create an appealing artwork, as various color depict various feelings and emotions. So we can use various colors to create various effects in our artwork. We can use various types of colors such as primary colors, secondary colors, tertiary colors, and even in color wheel there are other various types of colors such as neutral colors, warm colors, cool colors. These colors can be used symbolically. Then here is texture. Texture is another important element of art. We can use texture through our pencil drawing, shading, and even by using colors. Then here is value. Value is another element of art. And then let's discuss about the various principles of art. So first principle is balance. First of all, what is balance? So we have to arrange these elements in proper balance so that our art will look more appealing. So balance can be of two types, formal balance and informal balance. Then there is perspective. So we can use perspective in our landscapes. We can use 1-point perspective, 2-point perspective, and there are two main categories of perspective. These are aerial perspective and linear perspective. Then there is proportion, that is another important principle of art. Then there is emphasis. As we can see, if we can see a composition, there can be focus on a particular element or a particular form. Then there is movement. Movement is also important, as we can create movement in our artwork by using various forms of lines, even using color. Then there is unity and harmony. Thank you.